morning everyone! Here, welcome to my kitchen. This is Maria Jocelyn. This is my chicken broccoli and carrots. This is delicious and yummy. Today is the second day celebrating of my birthday. Okay. So, since we can't eat outside, we decided to cook here at my house. Celebrate here in the house. My second day of birthday. In our family, any kind of occasion, we celebrate 7 days. It's long enough, but it's not that long. But anyway, I would like to share all this is my chicken and broccoli with carrots. Everything is easy. I did this. I blanch everything, the chicken soupy and everything, and so easy. Even the grade one. So this is my chicken creamy adobo, and this is a combination Filipino and American sauce, and Spanish also, because I put some spicy, this one that used from the Spanish, like paprika, and I use also pepper. Wow, this is it. This is my chicken adobo. Yummy and delicious. Yep. Here we go. Almost done. My chicken, broccoli, and carrots. Makulay ang buhay. Everybody's invited. Come here. Come, let's eat. This is almost done. I just keep on turning around so it will, the taste will be incorporated. So this is my chicken, broccoli, and carrots. Instead, you use beef. You can use also beef, pork, or any kind of meat. But in our family, we avoid eating pork this time, okay? So that's our part of our New Year's resolution. I decided, because I'm the one who prepare our food, and then, the rest of the family, they don't have choice, I told them that this year we don't eat pork. If we eat some pork, very rare, okay, like pork chop or something like very, but it's already April, so we stick the chicken only. At gagawa rin tayo ng chicken soup. Okay, this is the Filipino way to cook. Isipin muna natin ito. Thank you, Lord. Heavenly Father, thank you for this wonderful opportunity, Lord. Thank you for all the provision in Jesus' name. Amen. Day celebration of my birthday. Pangalawang araw na selebrasyon ng aking kaarawan. So, ako ay nagpapasalamat sa buong may kapal kay Lord Jesus na binigyan niya ako ng abundant life and prosperous life. At especially sa aking family, sa aking husband, at sa mga tao na rin na umaagapay sa akin, at sa mga tao na rin na kasama sa journey ko dito sa aking community ngayon. Nagpapasalamat ako pa, shout out sa aking mga friend dyan. Yung friend ko sa Texas, sa Minnesota, Lalaine, at sa Texas, si Ellie, At sa Norway, si Lorraine. At sa Hawaii naman, si Eliana Kate, ang aming kasosyo sa aming negosyo. Yung mga girls, at saka dito sa aming group, si Ate Lorelei, si Kuya Ed, lahat-lahat ang mga friend ko sa Kuwait. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Kain tayo dito ngayon. So, ito ang aking chicken soup with broccoli, steamed broccoli and carrots. Napakadali lang po siyang gawin. Okay, kayang-kayang gawin. So, ito ay ready na po. Tikman nga natin yan. Wow! It's so delicious! My God. Very, very delicious. So, anyway, thank you for watching, mga friend. Please subscribe my channel and please also like and give me a thumbs up, and you can share also. This channel is full of wonderful things. If you like prayer, if you believe in prayer, friend, this is it. This channel is all about that. Only the Lord can do the miracle. So anyway, this is my recipe for today. So hope you enjoy. Quick lang po siya kasi masyado pag mahaba, hindi na masyadong yung mga tao. So ito po, napaka-simple lang po siyang lutuin, nutritious and delicious. So I hope you enjoy for today. Friend, thank you so much. God bless you wherever you are. Be safe and always stay home this time, okay? God bless you, everyone. This is my adobo. Adobo creamy. The cartoons that usually shows there is the